Replace any ink cartridges in the HP OfficeJet 3830 printer that are low or out of ink, as indicated by an alert on the printer control panel. Turn on your printer, load paper in the input tray, and then close the output tray. Open the exterior door, and then open the ink cartridge access door. On the cartridge that needs to be replaced, push down and then remove the cartridge from the printer. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the replacement cartridge from its package. Pull the orange tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the ink cartridge by its sides and slide it into its slot at an upward angle until it snaps into place. If necessary, replace the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door, close the exterior door, and then pull out the output tray. Touch OK on the printer control panel to confirm genuine HP ink cartridges were loaded, and then touch OK again to print an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid and place the page print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides for correct placement. Close the scanner lid. On the printer control panel, touch OK to scan the page and complete aligning the cartridges. With the alignment successful, the page can be recycled.